Your ultimate power-up. 2025 guide. Ready to level up your Chumba Casino experience? Using Skrill is like hitting the fast-forward button on fun. It's a secure and speedy e-wallet for both purchasing gold coins and redeeming your prizes. Let's get you set up in a flash. Part 1. How to purchase gold coins with Skrill. Get your game on. Follow these simple steps to buy a gold coin package using your Skrill account. Step 1. Head to the bank, the fun kind. Log in to your Chumba Casino account and click the big red BY button at the top of your screen. Step 2. Choose your digital wallet. From the list of payment methods, select Skrill. It's your trusty sidekick for this mission. Step 3. The final click. You'll be whisked away to the Skrill login page. Simply enter your Skrill credentials, confirm the amounts, and authorize the payments. Boom! You're done. Your gold coins, and any bonus sweeps coins, will be credited to your account instantly. Part 2. How to redeem prizes to Skrill. You won. You conquered. Now it's time to collect. Redeeming your sweeps coins to your Skrill account is just as easy. Step 1. Hit redeem. Click the redeem button. You'll find it in the main menu. You must have a minimum of 50 eligible sweeps coins to redeem. Step 2. Pick Skrill again. Select Skrill as your redemption method. Ensure your Chumba Casino account has been verified first. Step 3. Confirm and celebrate. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your redemption. The funds will be processed and sent directly to your Skrill wallet. Processing times are typically very fast.